When It's Mine is a free website that helps you choose colour schemes and try out decorating ideas for a property that maybe you've seen and considering buying and you want to experiment with some ideas. You get into it from the main When It's Mine website with this link here. Now let's say you've just come back from viewing a house and the address was 45 Abbey Crescent in Swindon. We need only search on a fragment of the address and that'll normally find it if the estate agents put it in. So this has found it. We've got a choice between first floor and ground floor. We'll go for ground floor. And the first thing you can do is have a twizzle around of the 3D. That's the main thing. You can have a good look around like that. Tip it up and down and tilt it round and about. Now say we wanted to change the colour scheme in here. We can click on the wall and change the colour. We might choose, for example, a creamy colour like this. And then I need to do the same thing here. Pick the underside of that wall, the underside of that one, the left side of that one, and the top side of that one. I can change the colour of the carpet too. Maybe go for a light blue on that one, something like that. On a slightly grander scale, we might want to combine two rooms, and these look like pretty good candidates for joining into one. We can measure up and see how big it would be. If I put the 0 point there. Now, as I move the mouse around, look and see what happens to these numbers down here. So if I move the mouse up to there, it's telling me that the room would be 5.4 by 2.5. So to do that, I'll get rid of the door and replace it with an archway, and now we're going to zoom in a bit to make it easier and drag the ends of the archway out near the wall so it's more like one continuous room. So we have one continuous room. You probably want to consider changing the brown window and door here to match the white ones. So I can change the window to be the white style and change the door to be a half glazed UPVC one. Now say you wanted to look and see what this looked like from the inside. This is the go inside button, and this tells me where I'm looking from, this eye, so I could perhaps move the eye up to there and then twizzle around until I see the view I want. There we are. And come back outside. Now you can be much more ambitious. You can build a whole extension. That's in a different video then, to keep this one reasonably short. We've also got another video especially for estate agents, and that will tell you how you put properties into the library in the first place so that your visitors can come and find them. If you decide to have a go with it, please give us some feedback. We're always keen to hear that. We try to make it very easy to give feedback. There's a little say hello button here. Just type in what you want to say and press send. So thank you for watching, and we hope it's useful for you.